We've had a historical problem of informing our customers about things that happen in the system, and the only way we can really do that effectively when it comes to plan notices is through paper. So we're trying to get away from paper and trying to find a better way to communicate with our customers. And we sort of fell into this project after meeting with Cisco and talking about manipulating data and doing some other things, and we developed jointly with Cisco this on-the-go travel station kiosk, which is an interactive customer information station. So this is the on-the-go travel station. As you can see, it's a stainless ruggedized steel enclosure. This one is actually built into the wall. We also have ones that are freestanding. And what it provides our customers is, at the tap of a finger, information about our entire system. You'd see all the different subway lines and find out what's going on the 1, 2, and the 3. You can see we have a problem here. Let's say you wanted to go to the Museum of Natural History. Click of a button, get you a trip. Tells you what train to take, how to get there. It even gives you a map of your travel directions. We started with a pilot in September of 2011 at 5 locations, 3 locations within the subway, 1 location at Grand Central, and 1 location at Penn Station. After doing some evaluation of that pilot, we decided that we needed to learn a little more. In our research after the initial pilot, we found that 8 out of 10 customers loved the machines. So I think customer reaction was good. But again, it was only at 5 locations. We have 468 stations. We carry 5.3 million customers a day. So whether or not it's a tourist who needs to figure out how to get around the system, whether or not it's a regular customer who needs to be informed about planned or unplanned changes, whether it's a regular rider who knows the system but isn't necessarily familiar with where they're going today, all of those issues, we want to figure out whether or not this device can do that. After Hurricane Sandy, we put out several different maps to show our riders what was operating and what wasn't. And we had a lot of service below 33rd Street between here and Brooklyn that just wasn't operating. As service came back, we kept updating that map. Did I print that map? No, I used the website to push that out. If I had digital screens in the system, I could push out that digital map the same way I'm pushing it out to the web. We hope to start rolling out machines this summer, and it'll take a while for it to ramp up to get to that 120. Because as it stands now, our partners are actually purchasing the machines, doing the user interface, and they'll be recouping their capital expenditure through advertising. I'm sure you've noticed the advertising. Right now, the way we have the screen structured, we have the MTA information on the top, our marketing information on the bottom. This could be advertising as well. So we are currently, as part of this pilot, using the Cisco Thin Client as the engine for the screens. We're using a 47-inch diagonal touchscreen, and we have a stainless steel enclosure. They can be power washed. You know, these are not, little flimsy machines. These are rugged machines. But we will find that out during the pilot, is how customers react. What is the usage? What is the mean distance between failure for the machines? There will always be a human element in the system. This is not to replace the human element in the system. There will always be station agents, cleaners, police officers. This is just another vehicle for us to communicate with our customers in a more efficient way than we're currently doing now with paper and with static signage.